To change icon size on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we can go to settings. Over here scroll down to home screen, and then in the home screen settings we have this slider. We can move to the left and to the right in order to adjust the size of app icons. Not only that, we can for example choose different home screen grid. So if you switch for example to 5x6, then of course apps will be slightly smaller and you will be able to place 5 apps in one row. Besides that, we can go back and choose display in the settings, where we also have the screen zoom, and I believe it also might change the size a little bit. But we also have the easy mode, which makes apps really big. Not only that, but apps included. As you can see, these app icons are pretty huge. So if you are aiming for the maximum app size, then you can use easy mode for that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.